Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free virtual credit card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you want a virtual credit card, VCC for free trials, here are some of the best ways to get one. So I've listed these down in a text document here. So the first method is to use a virtual credit card provider. Many services offer free virtual credit cards that you can specifically use for trials. Some of the most popular ones include privacy.com, which allows you to create burner cards that can be locked to specific merchants. We've got Revolut offers disposable virtual cards that change after each use. We've got Wise, which provide virtual debit cards that can be used for trials. Blur by ABean offers mass credit cards for online purchases. Number two here, you can use your bank's virtual card features. So some banks provide temporary virtual cards for secure transactions. Just go ahead and check with your bank's app or customer support to see if they offer this. Free, you can try a fintech app. So apps like Capital One Eno for Capital One customers and Citi virtual account numbers allow you to generate temporary card numbers. Four, you can use PayPal Apple Pay's virtual cards. So PayPal Key, if available, generates a virtual card number linked to your PayPal balance. Apple Pay and Google Pay sometimes offer virtual cards through selected banks. Number five here, prepaid virtual cards as a last resort. So some services like NetSpend or Vanilla Visa offer prepaid virtual cards. You may need to add a small balance to activate them though. But when we're talking small, only a couple of dollars, if that. I've got some tips here. So use a service that automatically deactivates the card after a single use. Set a low spending limit to prevent unauthorized charges, and always read the terms of the virtual card provider.